Good afternoon. Mark here for Mark's Garage. Welcome to another video on the 2018 Panigale V4s Francesca. Today we're looking at some parts that I just got done installing that I think really add a trick look to this bike and add to a piece that I think Ducati kind of cheaped out on. So looking at some Motocorse CNC billet rear set plates. These pieces right here in black machined aluminum. Normally these are cheap cast aluminum pieces. These are very nice, very rigid, really tie in the look with the rear sets. Something that should have came on this bike to begin with, to be honest. Kind of really cheaped out with the cast pieces on this bike. You know, I already showed you my Motocorse engine mount. These tie in nicely with that. Here's the right side. The right side's, you know, pretty small little piece there, but really all the bling is on the left side there near the rear sets. These are real easy to put on. But the only complaint I really have is they didn't come with the hardware. You used the hardware out of the OEM pieces. Was going to do some titanium hardware. I think I'm thinking better of it. Just do, I think the steel, due to the nature of where these are at and what they support. Some of the issues I've had with some of the titanium hardware snapping. In fact, I had a rotor bolt just snap on me trying to torque it down. I think I'm going to skip the tie hardware on these pieces just because of the stress that they're under with the foot pegs and the rear sets. I think I'll leave the OE for now. OE is nice Allen head bolts, steel Allen head bolts. We'll leave that for now. This is what they replaced. So I replaced those cheap cast pieces with a nice billet. This piece right here actually gives you the option if you wanted to run the Motocorse pieces on a race bike without a kickstand. This would eliminate the boss for the kickstand, this piece that's right here. And then we're going to pull the forks off here later this afternoon and send them out to suspension work. Get the suspension, get the fork bottoms mounted on it. Send it back to me. I'll let you know when that happens and give you an update. Well, take it easy. If you like my videos, like and subscribe. Throw a comment in the comments. Have a great afternoon.